Hey, what's going on? Welcome. Thanks for tuning in. All right, so real quick, I'm looking at the NQ chart right now. I did take a short. I did see some liquidity down here at the lower level, down here at the 19,445, and I did get in on a short. Looks like getting us a little bit of retracement right now. Um, Not really too worried about that action, but I do believe it's going to continue going lower. But we will see. We're here to either hopefully win in front of you guys. But if we don't, then hey, you know what? It's all good. There's always more trades. There's always a better evaluation to do. Um, Either way, we're here to make the magic happen. So, see what's going on. Well, the quality of my shared screen is not good. Checking this out right now. What is that about? The quality of my shared screen is not good. Checking this out. What is that about? That is interesting. Let's see if I can change that up. Well, I feel bad now because I'm here trying to use this streaming software, and it's clear that my screen is blurry. I don't know what that is about. I wonder why that is happening. So that is unfortunate. All right, here we go. Now we're getting the drop that I anticipated that we'd get. Let's make sure that we just got a little bit of consolidation point. Probably faked out some people think that we were, all of a sudden going long. Unless my analysis is completely wrong, but hopefully not. But yeah, so let's see. I'm expecting it to come and take liquidity down here. Just waiting for that drop. All right. Then again, we did get a huge candle right there. Could be just trying to fill that up before it continues to go back higher. There's a lot of fair value gaps in between here. Um, I do just want to see it fill this gap and then continue to go lower. Um, that would basically just show us that the uptrend is um, essentially weak. But we'll see here. See what happens. All right, now it's coming back to my starting point. We do have the opening range gap right here. A little bit of liquidity in there. It still has not filled. It typically acts to be like a magnet to price, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. Hey, sorry about that. Um, I don't know what was going on. I was trying to figure out what was the reason for. Oh, let's see, we got an audio check over there. But I'm looking at the screen right now, and I'm trying to figure out why it is so blurry. I can't figure out why it is showing up horrible for you guys. I am in the process of trying to get my OBS studio all set up and configured for you guys. That way, hopefully, you guys have a better viewing experience, because this right here would irritate me. So my apologies. But yes. So anyway, as you can see, we're going into a little bit of drawdown right here. Yeah, there was a lot of movement down, as I could see with these candles right here. Price just doesn't want to move typically in one direction. It's not just like that. It's a lot of zigzag movements going on. So all that being said, retracement is to be expected. So not worried about it. I still do believe that we are still in a downtrend. This right here is a huge order block on the 15-minute chart. As you can see, we got 3 down candles. And typically when you see movement like that, you will see little retracements, just like right here when we have this little box. Right. Oh, look at all my drawings that popped up. But there is these 2 candles right here. As you can see, those black candles. And that is just a retracement, because as you can see, that we had a lot of movement up, and then it went back down. Feel a little bit of fair value, allowed institutional buyers to get in. It went up, gave you a second chance to get in right there, and it did come back up, take out those highs, and then create new liquidity up here. My next target I'm anticipating to go to would be up here at potentially, who knows what that'll happen, because there is still liquidity down here. But eventually I am looking for price to come up to the 19,693 range. So we will see when it gets there, right? When. So funny thing about trading is it's time and price, not not anything else. Definitely time and price comes first, not price and time. Well, I guess it'd be the same, but anyway. As you can see, we went into a little bit of drawdown. Now we are looking green. There is one thing I wish I could do. I want to know how I could play some type of music or something, because this is gonna drive me nuts. Having it be completely silent. I need to figure out all the YouTube regulations in terms of what is allowed. Wonder what I can do here. YouTube audio library. Interesting. Okay. Got a little audio library. There we go. And of course, it's playing through my headphones. I guess I don't need the headphones, but I wonder what happens if I take this out. You guys probably can't. Let's see. Maybe it'll pick it up. There we go. Okay. All right, we're jamming now. I like this. I wonder how this is coming out. Let me see. I'm gonna pause this. Put it up on the iPad. So that's coming. I like this. I wonder how this is coming out. Let me see. I'm not gonna pause this. Put it up on the iPad. So that's coming. I like this. All right, cool. I wish I could share screen audio. That would be a lot better. But hey, you got to make do with what you got. We're making it work. We're not getting any copyright infringements on this stream, So, all right. We're getting some slow price action. It's always fun. Oh, I've been trading for a little while, and I did walk away when I was looking at this on my iPad, and price came down. It was literally right here, and I was up like 1100, but I just didn't see the chart real time to be able to take some profit off. So that was a little unfortunate, but hey, it's all good. I still do believe it's going to come down to the zone down here, at least to this blue line that I got marked off. So, question is when. Let's see. What is this? This song is called Back to the 80s. Okay. I don't know if I'm feeling this. It's kind of weird. Why don't we try Good Energy? Let's see if Good Energy is actually good energy. What do you think? You guys feeling this? Okay. All right. Feels like I'm on a skateboard with this music or something at a skate park. Feels like that this would be pretty applicable. Oh. I wonder if my screen is blurry to you guys because I've got a ultra wide that I'm using. Let's see here. Am I getting any better? Zoom in. So I'm checking it on my iPad and it still looks horrible. You cannot see much. That is really unfortunate. So I paid this guy from Fiverr to go through and create me all these whatever things with YouTube Studio, or no, I'm sorry, not YouTube, but with OBS. And he's still not done yet. So hopefully he gets around to completion soon, because this is horrible. I just had to go to this other website and pay this other fee to be able to stream high quality, but this doesn't really look that high quality. So I did open up a support request to them because this is unfortunate. But you know what? My first little YouTube thing, I guess second YouTube video I've ever done on this channel. So it's clear there's actually not anybody watching right now, but that's all good. You guys don't know who I am yet. Just wait. I'm coming into this industry. Excited to be here. So I'm gonna be known. I'm gonna be known at some point. This takes time, consistency, like hashtag that time when you first start streaming on YouTube and you are your only viewer. Yeah. So basically, in terms of the quality, I apologize again about that. I just got impatient. I was super excited to stream. Happy to be here with you guys, sharing the journey, and I just couldn't wait. I've been seeing all these other streamers coming out here making action on this, and I thought, hey, if you're able to do what you love, which I love trading, I love the charts, love everything about it. It's a challenge. It's exciting. But it's almost like a video game that, at least in my mind, I feel like I can master. And if I could sit here and master it with you guys, and hopefully you guys are able to take a thing or two from learning from me or coming from my analysis on the chart, that just, excites me, brings me up. And I'm excited to have you guys here along the journey with me. So thanks for that. But in the meantime, I'm sorry for the audio quality. I mean, not the audio, but the visual quality, because this is clearly blurry. Like, what is this? Let me even highlight my little price right here. Like, this is blurry. That's not acceptable, at least in my mind. I don't know. I'm trying to ask myself, would I want to be watching a stream where it's blurry like this? I mean, probably not. But hey, make do with what we got for now. This is temporary. So if you are dropping in, or if you see this video after, I appreciate you coming by. It all starts somewhere. It all starts with a dream, and dreams to make it big, right? I guess the number one dream for me is the rat race. I just feel like that's a real thing. If you're able to come out here and do this, trade, hopefully make some money, and hopefully get somewhere on YouTube. That's. I mean, I don't know if anyone can ask for anything else. At least for me, I mean, well, of course, at least with a career, right? And hopefully it's fulfilling and things like that. But I just think that this is a great opportunity. That's all I'm saying. So might as well take it. So I think streaming live on YouTube is a great little way to get some extracurricular monies going in potentially. Whatever monetization does come into play. So, but yeah, I mean, I'd rather be doing this than working for anybody else. I guess that's all I'm trying to say. For a career, that's it. Yeah. Cool. YouTube Studio, thanks for coming through. Wait, no, what is this? Yeah, YouTube Studio Audio Library. Whew. I would have gone crazy just sitting here listening to silence, man. All right, here we go. Big drop. Making we're up 1,300. Let's see. Let's get that TP smashed. Let's go. Man. Yeah. All right. Come on, keep going, keep dropping. Man, it's so funny, like starting off because I have been in other people's live streams, and I mean, of course, there are people in the chat, and then it's able to be like a back and forth conversation. But I guess just right now, I'm just sitting here staring at the chart. I'm just like talking to myself. But hey, you know what? I would love some people to be in the chat right now. That way, I could engage with you guys. But I guess, hey, it's the way it is when you start. It's the way it is when you start. So. Yep. Let's go. Let's get that drop. I want to get that liquidity swipe. Probably just gonna move that to right there. If it continues going, I'm good with it. I want to see what happens there. Yeah, I'm good with that. I should likely probably just get out right here. What do you think, chat? Oh wait, there's no one in the chat. I guess I'm looking at it. The quality's not that bad, right? Let's see here. It's pretty bad. Like just this P&L number looks horrible. Like, why is it so blurry? It's all good. All right, here I'm gonna mute this. I'm gonna turn it up on my iPad. I want to see what this sounds like for you guys. Turn it up on my. Let's see. There we go. Some echo. What's up? Sounds like for you guys. Turn it up on my. Let's see. There we go. Some echo. What's up? Sounds like for you guys. I really don't even know what that sounds like for you guys. Yeah. Oh, why does it connect to that? Yo. That's super weird. Put my headphones in, it just starts playing. All right. All right. Here we go. AirPods connected. All right, there we go. I would like to. How do I disconnect? Oh, this song is actually pretty cool. All right, there we go. Boom, TV smashed. All right, cool. Let's go. What, we made just $1,700 on that. All right, cool. Let's go. Sweet. I'm happy with that. It's not bad. It's not bad. We're out here making money live. And nobody's watching. Cut me. It's all good. I'm my biggest fan. Not bad. Not bad. All right. I'm excited about that. Cool. All right. I feel like this is elevator music that they just added, like they just spun up, you know, and did a little beat to it or something. You guys can hear that or not? Okay. All right, so now I'm just sitting here waiting. I did to just get $1,900 off that, almost $2,000 on that move. That was cool. That was super good. That's why I love trading. I mean, you guys look at what it's like, maybe working for someone else. What else is going to give you the opportunity to make that in just like, I don't know, 30 minutes, 2,000, 19. It was 1,900. What? Let me see. 1,955 and 10 cents. Right? Come on now. 30 minutes. I don't know. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. You ask me. I'm happy with that. Beats being the rat race. So what's really cool is growing a community, hopefully here on YouTube as well. So I'm excited for that. Excited for that. I wish this OBS studio guy would freaking help me with my channel thing. My OBS. I don't gotta use this weird software I'm using right now. Oh well, it works. It works. We're her jamming, vibing. I feel like it's like some Tarzan music. All right, now that they got like Tarzan with EDM, let's go. Uh, I guess this makes the waiting game exciting. Music does at least. Oh wow, we're up to 3 viewers, but I feel like it's everybody that I already texted. I was like, "Hey, I'm trading live. Check this out. Tune into my crazy channel." Well, that's cool. That's cool. All right, so quick little recap. I did enter my trade. Let me see. I'm gonna remove my drawings right here. Hide drawings. So I did enter right here at the 19,585 point, and I did take my profit down here when it hit the 19,453 range, and yeah, we made about $1,900 on that. So that was a quick recap. For those of you who are joining in, even though I know it's probably just people that texted, but I'm happy about it. So that's a recap of that. So hopefully the charts present more opportunities, but in the meantime, just gotta sit and wait. Sit and wait. Uh-oh. There we go. Elevator music's off. Okay. I see the chat now. Okay, that's cool. There we go. Elevator music's off. Okay. I see the chat. Okay, that's cool. All right. See, my initial TP was down here at this blue line, the liquidity down there, but didn't want to get greedy, so I just took my profit right here where those candles end. So, yeah. All right. I mean, pretty happy with a $1,900 day so far. So we will see what happens. Just continue looking at the charts, see if anything else pops up. I could get crazy with it, get on a 15-second chart, but I mean, what's the point in getting greedy? You know, that ain't going to do me no good. Let's see here. Change this to 15 second. Let's see what this does. Oh man. Well, this says it could go down here. I don't know. Yeah, right. Let's just see. Let's just play this out. Imagine if this is actually spot on. Let's say it does go right here. That'd be astonishing. And let's see. Wow. Look at that. Look at the accuracy on that. It is making that drop. But yeah, I feel like that's just like low fish hanging, low fruit. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know if it's worth it. Not really that many points in that. Let's see. How many points does that drop? Let's see. Let's get our little measuring tool. All right. That is from there to there. Yeah, like 15, 15 bars. Yeah, not a bad drop. Not a bad drop. Okay. Interesting. Does look like it's going to continue though. All right. I'm going to do literally three. Do I even want to do that? I don't want to do it. All right, looks like we're getting a little bit of a retracement right here, as I can see on this candle. We got a little bit of a fair value gap. Do I think it's all of a sudden on an uptrend now? I'm gonna say nope. I do not think this. Clearly a down day. And let's see. Let's see if it does hit this other point down here. I do have a zone of liquidity marked off at 19,410 range. Um, did get out early, but you don't go broke taking profit. But I am curious to see if it does come down to the 19,400 range. That'll be interesting. So I am curious to see what happens there. And it looks like it is. Look at that. Perfect like little liquidity zone down there. Came just about there to a third of the way. To create a little alert here just to see how good that analysis was. Let's see what happens. See if we get a little alert. All right. All right, there we go. It did just tap that liquidity down there. Look at the perfection on this. Like, man, if you guys look close, I had this zone marked off right here at the 19,412. Though it literally just wicked down exactly to that point. I'm not even zooming in further. Let's see. You know what? I always wanted to use this tool. I guess here's my chance. Boom, right there. Okay, look, we're off by 412 is where it stopped. My zone was 411. I mean, come on. That's pretty spot on. That's doesn't get much better than that, in my opinion. That was pretty close. What a great little drawing I did there. That's cool. Proud of that. All right. See here, looks like price is gonna take that liquidity at the let's do a little retracement, but there's liquidity at the 19,441 range. Looks like it may go back up there, take out those highs, probably for a continuation downward. I did see that opening range gap not get filled this morning, so I am curious to see what happens there. As you guys can see, it's that blue zone that I have marked off right here. Um, yeah, I mean that was a regular trading hours. Um, let's see here. I guess it did kind of trade through it, so I guess we're good on that. We're good. Let's see here. I like this to be on the right hand side. Okay, cool. Yeah, our gaps did get filled. So I don't know what reason it would have to really go back up there, except for take liquidity just a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna get back to the opening range. I don't think so, at least, right? But hey, just just my opinion. It's not financial advice. So yup. Uh great thing about trading is it makes you super patient, right? You gotta wait for your setup. Can't just dive in. Although it would be fun trading every second, but Yeah. See, it did take that little liquidity zone right there at that 19,441. The question is, where is it going to go now? Where's it going to go now? Let's see. We are on the 15-second chart. Let's just go ahead and climb up to a higher time frame. See what's going on. All right, looks like we do have a small little fair value gap that didn't get filled at the 19,254 range. I am curious to see if it goes down there, but I don't know. I don't know how much farther down this thing will go today. Yeah, just the waiting game, waiting to see what the charts tell us the next opportunity may be. So just keep waiting. Yeah, it's just tapping into that little zone right there. I'm looking at the 19,000. Curious to see what happens there at that range. I wonder if we're gonna get a continuation downwards, or if we're just gonna then swipe up to grab the liquidity um, that was made from earlier this morning. Then again, let's see. It is 11:18 Central Time. I mean, I'm sorry, New York time. So, I do expect it to be a little quiet right now. Should pick back up here pretty soon. Should. Yeah, man, look at that consolidation on the 1 minute. That's just chop. Man, nobody wants to be in that. Choppiness. Good old waiting game. If you didn't have patience before, try trading. See how much patience you have at the end, man. Uh, Man, that consolidation right there is heavy. When I first started trading, I remember I would like be trying to take all the trades that was possible. So like even right here in this little zone right here, I would have probably tried to take a trade. Definitely came a long way from then, a long way from first starting. So a little bit more experience now, able to veer away from those mistakes I used to make. What do you say? It comes with anything. The longer you try and do anything, you'll probably get better, hopefully. So, yep. All right. Man, this is brutal movement right here. The 1 minute. Expect it to be a little bit faster. Well, I feel like I'm likely to be done here, possibly. Let's see. Probably start the stream back up here in a little bit. It's just, I mean, the way I view this hour is just kind of like a no trade zone. Like, look at this price action right here. I mean, this is just horrible. Like, this is just chop, 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 chop. No one wants to be in that. It's a mess. So, what I'll likely do is, probably go eat some food, come back here in, I don't know, 40 minutes, something like that, and see what's going on then. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the stream here, I think, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it and come back to the charts here in a bit.